In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Midjourney to create and download AI images. Midjourney is a powerful tool that turns plain language into striking visuals, and we'll walk through the essentials so you can get from your first prompt to a saved image with confidence. To begin, make sure you have a Midjourney account. Sign in using your Google account and confirm you have an active subscription. A subscription is required for image generation, and it unlocks access to the features we'll use today. Once you're in, look for the prompt box at the top of the interface. This is where the magic happens. Type a clear description of the image you want. A prompt is simply your creative request. Describe the subject, the mood, the style, or any key details that matter to you. Don't overthink your first try. Concise and descriptive works well. After you press enter, Midjourney will generate your very first set of images automatically. When the images are ready, head over to the Create section to view them in one place. Think of this area as your gallery. You'll see your results laid out, ready for you to evaluate. If one catches your eye but isn't quite perfect, you can generate variations. Variations explore slight changes to composition, style, or details while keeping the overall idea intact. If you feel like moving in a completely different direction, you can always enter a brand new prompt and start fresh. You can refine how Midjourney interprets your prompts by adjusting the settings. These settings influence the look and behavior of generations, things like style intensity or output quality. Small adjustments can make a big difference, so experiment until the results match your vision. Anytime you submit a prompt with your chosen settings, a new image will appear based on that guidance. When you've found an image you like, you have a couple of options for getting more from it. You can click low motion to create a moving version of the image, giving you a short animated result that brings the artwork to life. If you simply want a still image, right-click the one you want and choose the download option to save it to your device. Finally, take a moment to review the available plans and their usage rights. Understanding what your subscription covers, especially for personal, commercial, or distribution purposes, helps you use your images with confidence. That's it. With an account, a clear prompt, a quick review of your results, some thoughtful settings, and a download, you'll be creating with Midjourney in no time.